But show in Atlanta. This is the bed.
See your curtain, you can pull that too, Teresa.
This is nice.
Got your TV back there, Teresa?
Where's the TV?
You have a TV?
TV. Oh yeah, you have TV. You have TV in this boat. Oh my gosh. This is bed. Oh my god, this is nice. Yeah.
All right, lay down and take a nap, Teresa.
I take a nap
Yeah, she's taking a nap.
now.
It's
I'm
big,
not.
right?
Yeah.
Look at this. See your shower in your bathroom.
This one, the remote, the DVD.
I think it fits how many people?
This one, ano?
Two up here.
1, 2, 3.
My ano? I think the AC, that one AC.
Something like that.
And there's a built-in AC, right?
Next door. Yeah.
This one.
That's what's fine for.
Oh.
What is that for the rain? You know, weather. Hey, Teresa, we're going up.
Okay, wait.
Come on up. Come on, baby. Ready?
This is the bathroom.
Yeah. Hey,
This
you want to take a
is-
picture? See the window
See?
outside? See the little window?
Window where? This
The
one?
See the window?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Ah,
Let's go. Let somebody else come down.
Okay.
You didn't know they have all this, do you? in the boat?
No.
I told you.
Twin 6'2". 350.
Oh.
We can do outboards on it too. Oh, you're right up there.
Oh. Boat. Let's go. We go to another boat.
Oh, this. That's all right. Can you raise it up high and get the boat show, Teresa? There's your Boston whaler. Right there. Yeah, blue boat hanging out there, Jerry.
Boat. This one is a boat.
Boat shows is the best place for new boats. That's what I'm talking about. You buy that show.
Well, actually, he was
That's the boat.
21.
Price is
Oh, wait.
20,000. 9699.
It's pontoon boats like
What's the name?
pontoon like Don has.
Oh,
You know Don's
Oh, yeah.
the pontoon boats.
Yeah, this is a phantom boat.
Look at the bell on that thing.
Wow.
Look at that bell.
Look.
This is very nice.
Oh, I bet they ring that somebody spice boat.
Wow. I see it. And
My buddy
for
had.
coffee.
Man, I've all seen this chair.
Salat. Ano?
We'll get our shoes.
Let's get the shoes in there.
We'll go back in a minute.
Ganyan siya.
Yeah, go. I don't know. That's okay.
That's the end, that's fine.
Yeah, that's okay.
They go. They don't go all the way around.
I want to get my shoes. I don't want to walk.
Okay.
They're
we'll go get
using their shoes. Except
Oh, gotcha.
except only in you are in the boat. Well, it's very nice. Huh?
Ayoko ng pangkong.
If they're not there,
Pangit
we'll have
yun?
a cold walk.
Hindi yan maganda yan sa ano. Just for the lake.
Ah, pero sa dagat,
Hindi pwede.
ay hindi pwede. Oh, tapos maalat pa yung ano no, dagat. This is nice. Oh my god, 362. 362. Oh my goodness.
I love Domino's. It's so
Like these
fun
boats,
to
Teresa?
go out there.
Hmm?
And you can't pull them on too. This is a very nice. You
Yeah.
made it.
Let's see here.
I'm taking video.
I know. Go. Oh, of yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Yes, and
come here, man.
wow. Take
I
one.
want to take one here. I want to take your picture by the boat.
No, use your phone.
Oh, I wouldn't video. I wouldn't do that all day in here.
I want
Wasting your
video.
time.
This is a phone. This is a nice. Look.
She wants one by her boat.
Inubad ko yung salamin ko.
What is that, Gary?
This is a nice
I
boat.
want to get to some of the boat equipment, the peripherals.
Ang init.
Mainit na nga.
This is for fishing. They put the rods up there.
Ah, this is for fishing.
This is
boat.
fishing, and like in the ocean.
This is for salt. That's fishing.
Yeah, you can go salt.
Pwede rin.
That's for the golf, that's fishing boat. That's it, the cost.
Ganyan yung boat ng pamangkin ni Gary sa Florida. Ano mami, ang init din.
Oo, barin mo na. Sa labas na pala yung malamig, no?
Kasi tatlo ang ano.
Suot mo, ano? May vest ka pa.
Oo ah.
Oo. Ako nag-turtleneck lang ako. Yan.
Very calming.
Ayan. Boat show, boat show, boat show.
May ganyan din pa.
What is this, Mike? What's the name?
This is like a, I don't know, bodyboard.
Bodyboard? Why is it they have a shoes?
Behind the boat, Teresa. They jump the waves to ride it.
Oh, you must wear this one.
Yeah, that's what you can do.
Oh, that's why. Look. This is a boat for waters jump. Talon dyan, talon sa tubig. Ang ganda naman. Ngayon ko lang nakita ang ganyan.
Look, look. He loved it. I can't stand it. It's hard to stand up. Jake did it.
Ah, really?
Jake did it. Her brother did it. He stood up.
Mabigat siguro yun ate,
He
no?
must. We go to the lake.
What's the name of the kid here? Teresa, come here.
What?
Board. Look,
Oh, yeah. Ay.
see like that.
Uh-huh.
See? That's why you put those, they wear the
yeah.
boots. Some,
Yeah.
These don't have the boots, but
Yeah.
Take a quick lunch break session. You know? Yeah, you sure got it. Put some hours on it.
It's a lot of boat in here. Sopra.
These are smaller boats.
oh yeah.
Open down here and look at the outside.
How big it actually?
Tingnan mo, may ano pa. May pakulay-kulay.
You know what?
Mga mahal. Buti naman may taga-bit-bit. May taga-bit-bit. Oh, ang ganda. Itim lang. Ano ba yan? Gray? Parang ito maganda, blue. Ang Ang malo, 376 pa.
Isang bahay na yun na maganda
Oo
sa
nga.
Florida.
Pwede.
Kaya nga hindi advisable na kukuha ka ng brand.
Mas maganda yung second hand, no?
Kasi magagamit mo tsaka maganda.
You want to go one of the big boats, Teresa? Turn me.
What? This
You
one?
want to walk up here?
This one?
We can go over here and look at all the boats.
Oh,
Oh, it's one of the big ones?
Yeah, I want to see the big one.
I want to see a yacht.
I mean, she had never been on one of those. So, come on up, Teresa.
okay. I will.
Take shoes. Let's go right here, Teresa.
Hello. 1,794
Uh-huh.
This one? Wow. We are in a big boat. Okay. Wow, look. What is this?
See?
Sink?
Or stove.
Oh, yeah, grilled.
Grill.
This one TV. This one a
I
sink.
like this bed right here.
Let's see. This one, what is this? Oh,
Trash.
trash.
Not make room.
There we go.
Come.
There you go. You're all good.
Oh, this is a driving area. Oh my god.
It's nicer than our house.
Ah, this is stairs. There's a stairs. You have a TV in here. Oh my god. Big TV, Mike.
Yes.
Samsung TV.
Yeah.
Look, the bed. I like it.
See the curtains? You can look out the window.
Oh, yeah.
See, they have windows in here.
Oh, yeah.
See the speakers. The bathroom. Look at the window, Teresa, up here.
Nicey. This is nice.
Yes.
I can sleep
Nicer
in
than
here.
our house. Look, Teresa.
Wow. Oh, this is really nice.
Shower behind you. Really nice. Granite.
This one is also waterproof.
Yeah. All this is. Storage.
Feel hot.
All right.
I take off my jacket.
I told you I didn't want coats. I'm going back up. You ready? Go find Marcy.
Yeah, I know, but I take off this.
There you go.
Wait.
Take your coat off.
Yeah.
I'm going to go upstairs. You want to turn this thing off? Can I stop it? Oh, hold on. Come on up so more people can come down. Here, Teresa. Take yours. Turn yours off. You want to save. Let's see. Let's go back this way.
It's not gonna come out.
Back to Guam in the Philippines. Probably cheaper to buy one over there though, and not have to transport it over.
No.
Hey, it's super nice today, guys.
Remember